Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Nothing phone 4A without password. Okay, but before we begin we need to discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode and we will lose all of our data. Third thing is that after the reset, when we get to the setup process, the phone will want to verify us and we will have to sign in into the same Google account into which we were signed in before the reset, as a confirmation that we are a user of this device. Okay, as you take a look, the phone is locked and protected with the password. I cannot forget, I cannot remember it. And now what to do? We need to power off our device, so click power button and volume up button and click on power off. Now, to enter recovery mode, we need to hold power key and volume down button at the same time. So keep holding. Okay, now using volume keys, we need to find recovery mode, right in here above, and now confirm by clicking the power button. Okay, now hold power key and click on volume up. Now we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button, and select factory data reset. And now confirm by clicking the power button. Okay, now the phone will automatically reboot and the next thing that will appear on the screen will be the setup process. But just like I'm saying, please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.